Welcome to House of Party. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Christmas balloon garland. In your balloon kit, you're going to receive 5 bags of 12-inch balloons, red, green, and gold, a bag of assorted foil balloons, your gold shimmer string, a straw to help you blow up your foil balloons, accessories to hang your Merry Christmas letters, and accessories to hang your balloon garland, and glue dots with a balloon tying tool. Extra helpful items you might want to purchase is either a hand pump or an electric pump. Okay, let's get to work. So step 1, we're gonna air up all of our latex balloons first. I'm gonna go ahead and use my electric pump. So this is how I do it. If you're looking for a rounder shape, you're gonna want to just press the top of the balloon and release a little bit of air, just like this, and now you have more of a round shape instead of the egg shape. Now let me show you how to use the tying tool. You're gonna wanna put this on your left hand if you are right-handed. I use 3 fingers to put it into the tool. You're gonna tie the neck around the tool 1 time. Put the neck inside and around and pull. Just like that. Next, you want to blow up all of your foil balloons. So with your foil balloon, you will receive a straw. You can either insert it into the valve, just like this, and blow in, or you can use your hand pump, which is a lot easier. Do it the same exact way. Put it into the valve and pump. You're gonna make this step with every single foil balloon. Now that all of your balloons are blown up, you're gonna wanna grab your garland strip and you're gonna wanna skip 3 holes before we start attaching your first balloon. I like using a little clamp to control my string. That way it doesn't get all over the place. Just like this. In order to attach your balloon, you want to skip the 3 holes because that's what you're going to use to hook your garland to your hook. You're going to want to grab the neck of the balloon, insert it into the bigger hole, pull through, and pull it in so it's locked in there. It should look like this. You're going to want to continue the same process, but you're going to want to go crisscross. That way you have one color here, one color here. You're gonna work all the way down the garland strip. Now that your garland's done, it's time to hang our garland. So before we hang it, I'm gonna show you about the 2 accessories. These are your 2 hooks you're gonna use. These hooks are great on stucco and brick. If you're gonna use it indoor on some drywall, make sure to grab some painter's tape to protect your drywall. Here's an example on what your hook should look like. I went ahead and put the painter's tape first, then the hook, and I pressed firmly on the hook to make sure all the air is out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hang the garland just like this on whatever hole I want. And it should look like this. Once that's completed, you can go ahead and place the other hook on the other side. Now that you've hung up your balloon garland, it's time to hang your gold string. Start by opening up your string and removing your adhesive. And placing it where you want, just like this. Just like this. When your balloon garland's done, you're gonna have a lot of latex balloons left over, so you're gonna have to grab your glue dots. And what I did here is I went ahead and made the garland a lot thicker on the side here. So you can go up or down. On this side, this is where you can get as creative as you want. Now it's time to hang up your letters. For this process, you're gonna need your 4 butterfly hooks and your fishing line. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the word Merry. So with your fish wire, you're gonna just put it through the little holes. Make sure all your letters are facing the right way. In and out, all the way across until the word Merry is put together. Just like this. And when you're done with your word Merry, you're gonna want to grab one of your butterfly hooks, tie the fishing wire through the butterfly hook. Make sure you have enough string, and when you're done tying it and you have you're going to want to get your butterfly hook and put it around the balloon strip that's hanging on your wall and make sure it's inserted and secured in there. And that's how you're gonna hang your Merry Christmas words. And when you're done, your letter should look something like this. So now let's attach our foil balloons. I'm gonna use some Scotch tape to hide the valve strip. So just like this, to just make the balloon garland look cleaner. You can go ahead and grab your glue dots and attach the glue dots to the foil, but I've been using Scotch tape in the area that I want to place my glue dots, because the glue dots attach better to the Scotch tape. Just like this, press down and release gently. And your glue dots should be placed where you want them. And now we just place them on the area that you want to place your foil. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose this area under Santa Claus. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the foil and gently press on the latex balloon, wiggling it in there gently, and it should stick just like that. Continue that process with all of your foil balloons. Now, here we have the present and your ribbon. You're gonna want to tie the ribbon around the present and make a ribbon on the top of it and place it wherever you want. Thank you for choosing House of Party. We hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to purchase this product, the link is in the description below. We'll see you next time.